Janome MC9000 memory craft, touchscreen calibration. Quick and easy, simple video here for you to follow. If your touchscreen is not responding or it's off in some way, it can be recalibrated. You might not need a new LCD screen. But turn your machine off, and you're going to see there's 4 buttons over here, but you only want the bottom 3. Before you turn the machine on, you're going to push these 3 buttons down on the bottom. That would be the lock, stitch, reverse, and the start stop button. Hold those buttons down all at the same time. Turn your machine on, and it's going to say press mark. Now what you're going to do, it's real simple, is click on that little X. Click on it again. Click on it again. If at first it doesn't respond, keep clicking on that button, because sometimes it doesn't sense your finger, but just keep clicking on that little X. Adjustment end. You're done. Shut the machine off. Turn the machine back on and give it a go, and you should have a better responding screen on your Janome. I found this information again on the internet. I'm not to credit for this, but hopefully this saves somebody some aggravation and a few dollars. Okay? Have a good one. Bye.